Hello students, welcome to PraescioEdu. This is scholarship exam standard 5th online class, subject intelligent test, and the topic is comprehensions following instruction. This is the assignment number IT001, means the practice test IT001. Okay, so onwards we are talking this one is that as a practice test, okay, not a assignment number. Student, please check your answers with this all the solutions, and if you have done any mistake or something, please note down that separately and try to resolve that particularly example, okay, so that the mistake should not be occur repeatedly, and please try to understand the concept behind that one. Okay, so question number 1 is, if the letter of the word KALWAN are written in reverse order, at which place the letter L will appear from the right end? Okay, means we have to first, what is the first action we have to take? We have to make the reverse order of this particularly word. So the here K is the first, so in a reverse K will be goes in a last one. So the here the last N is there, so in a reverse order N will become first. So here N, then A, then W, then L, then A, and the last one is the K. Now this is the reverse. Now the second condition, at which place letter L, this letter L, okay, so this letter L will appear from the right end, okay, so from this right end K is the first, A is the second, and L is the third. Okay, so third means the option number 1 is the correct one. Now question number 2, in the letter series D, N, K, S, D, V, T, P, S, which letter will occur at the fourth place from the left end? So left means from this end, which letter occur at the fourth place? Fourth place means this is the first, then second, then third, and the fourth means the letter S. So letter S is mentioned in option number 4. Question number 3. In the word KARMARKAR, which letter occurs in a minimum number of times? Minimum number of times. Okay, so means we have to count first the repeated words. Okay, so first K is there, so how many K letter comes? So 1 and then 2. So K comes for the 2. Okay, then A. A is here first, then second and third. Okay, so A comes in a third 3 times. Then R. R comes 1, 2 and 3. R comes 3. Then M comes only 1. Then M comes only 1. And again R, A already counted, R, A. Okay, so M. So minimum one is the letter M. So the option 2 is the correct one. Question 4. In a statement, I have to take her to the hospital. This is the statement. How many 4-letter words have occurred? So how many 4-letter words? This is the 4-letter words have, then take, and this is third, 3, then 2 and 3, then hospital is the more, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so 1 and this is the 2. So which one is the option number 2 is mentioning the 2. So option number 2 is the correct one. Now question number 5, prepare a meaningful word from the letter A, T, U, D, E, I, N, O, C. Which letter will the at the fourth place from the right one? Okay, so if you see these letters, the correct word will be the education. Okay, this education. Okay, the correct meaningful word we have made education. Now which letter will be at the fourth place from the right? Okay, from the right means from this one, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 one is the letter T. So letter T means option number 1 is the correct one. Then question 6. In a sentence, the hungry tiger soon got at its prey. Which letter has occurred 5 times? T, we have to count the T here, 1, then 2, then 3, 4, 5. So letter T is at the 5. Then H, 1, 2, H is the 2. Okay, we have to count it all the letters. How many times they are occurred? So E, 1, then 2, 3. E comes in a 3. Then H already counted, U here, 1, then only 1. Okay, U, 1, then N, 1, 2. Okay, N comes 2. G, 1, 2, 3. G comes at 3 times. Then E, E 1 and 2. E already we have counted. Then R, 1, here the 1, then 2, 3. R comes at 3. Then S, here the S 1, then 2. Okay, so S comes the 2, then O comes 1, 2, 3. O comes the 3 times, then T already we have counted, A already, oh no, A have not counted, so A is only 1, yeah, I just write down the A1, then T already counted, I only the 1 and the 2, I already not counted, okay, 2 times, so T already counted, P only 1 time, so P is the 1 times, and then R already counted, Y is the 2 times, okay, Y here the counted 2. Now, which letter has occurred 5 times? 5 times, which letter comes? So T, only the T letters comes 5 times. So option number 2 is the correct one. Question number 7. In the word residence, which letter is at the second place to the left of the letter D? Letter D is here. Okay. Left of the letter D. Second place of the left. Second place means this is the first place and then this is the second place. So S is the letter. So option number 1 is the correct one. Then question number 8. How many meaningful words each of two letters are formed from the REASON reason? Okay. So two letters word we have to count it. So we have to check it the possibility. R with E not possible, R with 8 not possible, R with S or with O. O R can possible. Then N, R with N not possible. Then SO, this SO means so, then on, even no also, then as, this as, then and also, okay, and then e, yes, no, e and no possible. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, so 6 words means option number 1 correct one. Now, question number 9. In the word continue, if the first and second comma is here, first and second, third and fourth, fifth and sixth, and seventh and eighth, letter are interchange. Interchange means here and here interchanging, here interchanging, here interchanging, which will be the fifth letter. Okay, so we have to first interchange. So CO means OC will comes. OC means first and the second, then third and the fourth means here the NT, so that will be the TN, so TN, then fifth and the sixth, fifth means this one and N, so here IN, so in our new word NI will comes, NI, then EU, then EU. Now fifth letter, which will be the fifth, means from here regular direction we have to check 1 2 3 4 and 5. So here will be the N letter. Okay, fifth. So the option number 1 is the correct one. Now question 10. Choose the correct word from the following alternatives which is not similar in the meaning to the word large. Large means what? We can say bigger. Okay. So this is the meaningful word. But in a question asking not, this is very important. So don't be hurry while reading questions. Okay, be careful while reading the question what exactly has the asking questions. Okay, so large means already bigger, so this is not our option. Then voyage means long journey or long, we can say, the tour, so this is a non meaningful of the large, means not a synonym, so this can be the our option. But let's check for the option number 3 and the option number 4. Vast is the, we can say, the bigger, larger, so this is the meaningful word, but we are asking which is not, so this option is the incorrect one. Use also the large, so this option is also not, so that's why the option number 2 is the correct one. Next, question 11. From the letter GARYN form a meaningful word, which of the following alternatives has the same meaning as the word forms? Okay, so from these four options, the meaning of this new form word has to be match, means the synonyms of this particularly four options. So from this word GARYN, so here the angry, one meaningful word comes, so angry. Okay, so in this one, which of the following alternative is angry? So what is the meaning of the angry or synonyms of the angry from the our object, these options? The angry means the furious, means the option number, if we make the synonyms, these three words are different, but this furious is almostly near to the angry, means the synonyms. Okay, so that's why this option 4 is the correct one. Now the question 12. This is our letter series. Form a meaningful word from the letters at the places which corresponds to the prime numbers. Okay, so we have to give the first numbering for this all the letter series. Which letter occur at the middle place of the this word? So we have to form first word, and in that word middle place, which is the letter that has to be choose. So first, second, then three, then four, then five, six, seven, eight, then nine, 10, 11, and 12. So from this one, choose the correspondence of the prime numbers. Prime number, which are the prime numbers? So 2, 3, 5, 7, then 11. These are the prime numbers. So 2 means R, okay. Then 3 is the I. Then 5 is the T. Then 7 is the G, okay. Then 11 is the E, okay. So from this one, we have to make the meaningful word, okay. So now tiger comes, okay. So tiger, okay. This will come. So at this new form of the word, we have to take out the middle place letter, okay. So middle place here 2 and here 2. So G is the middle place, okay. So option number 2 is the correct one. Now, question 13. Which of the word from the following does not bear the similar meaning of the word industrious? Industrious. Okay. So now, bearing the similarity means industrious and victorious. Victorious is like a fighting or army related the word. So this is not actually the similarity. So this option may be, but we have to check first other options also. Hardworking, yes, in the industry, hardworking. This is the similarity, okay, and the work is doing the hard or something. So like delight means the making your duties honestly or something, we can say. So delightful duties. So this is the similarity in the industry. Yes, occupied, the area occupied or something, the job occupations, we can say like this one. So in industrial, this is the meaningful. So these actually are meaningful, but which is not in our options because here does not bear similar meaning. So does not means the only one victorious. So that's why this option number one is the correct one. Now question number 14. From the group of letter V, D, E, H, A, T, L, C, I, form a word of 5 letters whose antonyms is the word death. Okay. So best way from the fourth option were to choose which is the antonym. Here the death means opposite of this death is the alive. This have no. This is not a antonym. Even act is also not antonym. Lead also not antonym. So this is the actually antonym of the death. Now we have to check just these alive letters are present in this one or not. So A means this A, then L also there, then I, then V, and then E already present. So this option is the correct one. Like this one, we have to check it. Okay. Now question number 15. In the word optimistic, how many times do consonants occur? Okay, consonants occur means how many? So one, two, then three, four, 5 and 6. Okay, so 6 means option number. Okay students, so this is the solution for our practice test. Hope you all got your answers correctly. So in a next video we will start our new topic. So please do the practice for this topic and try to make solve all the examples as much as possible, and even 2 times or 3 times or more times. Okay, so the practice is very much important for this scholarship exam. So thank you.